Hi YouTube, it's me Jen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this friendship bracelet using foam. It's super easy, you only need 5 minutes and very few materials. Let's get started. I'm going to use glitter foam. You're also going to need some scissors, a ruler, and an X-Acto knife, and a cutting mat, better not to cut your table. We're going to cut a strip of foam, and the width is going to be 1.5 inches and the length depends of your wrist. To make the closure, we're going to do a rectangle on one of the sides and we're going to cut it out using the X-Acto knife. On the other side, we're going to cut 2 little triangles at each side, leaving a little space so we can close it. As you can see, it's so easy to close using this method, and now you can even wear it this way. It's a beautiful bracelet with all of the glitter. But we're going to do the braid. For doing that, we're going to separate our bracelet in 3 parts with the same length, and we're going to cut a straight line using the X-Acto knife. You can also use a pen or something to follow it. I just use a ruler normally, but I'm showing you both ways. And as you can see, now it's completely separated, and now you just have to follow what you can see in the video. I find this quite difficult to explain, but basically you just have to do like a braid, like if you're braiding your hair. You can do it like smaller or bigger. At first I was thinking about doing it smaller, but I really like it with more space. That's why I decided to turn back. Once you have your braid of the size that you like, you're going to take the down part, you're going to introduce it on one of the sides of the braid, you're going to pull it out, and then once you have this, you're going to flip it inside again, but in the part below, not in the middle. And then you just have to put everything in order. This is very difficult to explain with words, but I think that you can see what I'm doing in the video. You just have to follow it. It's so simple. You can pull it out a little bit and make it have the shape that you want. And that's it, the easiest way to make a bracelet I've ever seen, and it looks fantastic. Tell me in the comments, if you make this bracelet, what color would you use and if you would choose glitter foam. And now you have this bracelet that you can make in 5 minutes. You can give it to your mom, you can give it to your friends, you can give it to anyone you love and you want to give a present to and have a little detail with them. Tell me in the comments what other videos would you like to see. I love reading your comment and I give hearts to all of them. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. Love you!